In 2018, the RSE used £1.5 million from the Scottish Government's Unlocking Ambition Challenge Fund to award 20 outstanding early-stage entrepreneurs to enable them to establish and develop new high-growth businesses based in Scotland. RSE Unlocking Ambition Enterprise Fellows were hosted at Scottish universities and research institutes and received a maintenance grant and business development fund, tailored cutting-edge business training, a dedicated mentor, and were fully integrated into the Scottish entrepreneurial ecosystem.
Launching a startup, especially as a solo founder, is a very lonely experience. So having a community of fellow entrepreneurs who are going through similar challenges helped me stay sane, focus on the big goal, and you can't really put a price on that. The biggest success during the program was securing a six-figure investment from local investors. This allowed us to build a team of 4, build an early version of Prod Site, and now we have it being beta tested by paying customers in the US and the UK.
The program has facilitated the growth of our user base. We now have more than 4 times the number of carers using our solution, CogniCare. Being part of the program was definitely a turning point for us. We went from just me to a team with expertise across the board. We wouldn't have gotten this far without the support of the program. The financial aid, training, and peer support has been truly invaluable.
The biggest success for us was transforming our prototype into a commercially viable product. The program provided financial support, training, and mentoring in order to reach our goal within a short period of time. I think without the RSE Unlocking Ambition Enterprise Fellowship Program, our company might not exist today.
The RSE has been honoured to be part of Unlocking Ambition. Our programme has been outstanding and ambitious and has given these young companies the critical boost that they need. What the entrepreneurs have actually achieved is beyond what we might have hoped for. In just 12 months, they've accelerated their business, they've created high-quality jobs, attracted investment, and have received very many prestigious awards. These can-do, Unlocking Ambition Enterprise Fellows and their companies are boosting the Scottish economy and making modern Scotland the very best it can be. Scotland may have invented the modern world in the 18th century, but these young Unlocking Ambition Enterprise Fellows are inventing the future.